Hello from Garrett Motors in Coolidge, Arizona. Today we'll do a walk around with a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD LTZ. Color's black, has some nice rims on it, some nice running boards. This comes with a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine. It's also a CARFAX one owner vehicle. Power driver seat. Does come with Sirius XM radio. Has Bluetooth, navigation, weather app, Pandora, OnStar, backup camera. Comes with heated and also AC front seats. Also, if you take a look at the remote, it has the remote start on it. Take a look down here, you have quite a few knobs, different options there. You got your USBs, your cigarette lighters, and then also your plug-in. Very big center console. Take a look up here, you see we have the Homelink universal remotes in case you want to program some gates or a garage door opener. Miles on it, still very low on the miles. It's at 25,144. Cruise control. And then it has this integrated trailer brake, and then it's also a four-wheel drive vehicle. Take a look at the door here. See, you got your memory driver seat, and then also all the buttons are still intact there, still in really good condition. Your Bose premium sound system. Here at Garrett Motors, we are proud to offer your first 4 oil changes for you for free, as long as you bring them back to us. Take a look in the back seat. See, it's leather on the interior. Got your rear cup holders. Also have a cigarette lighter back here. Oh, sorry. 18-inch wheels. You have your assist step right there. Hook up a trailer. All the floor mats, the rubber floor mats come with it. They're all right there. LTZ, as you can see. This also is a certified pre-owned vehicle, which means you get a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. And then also the powertrain warranty is good for 6 years and 100,000 miles. We also have the power passenger front seat. If you have any more questions on this 2500 HD, feel free to visit our website at www.garrettmotors.com or give us a call at 520-723-5401.